guys, it's Denise and welcome back to my channel. Today I am currently stalking my post office man. If you guys can see that white truck over there with the red on it, that's the Canada Post. And as soon as he gets here, I have a succulent unboxing to do. Aha, I got you. Okay, I am back. This is actually take 2 because I unfortunately opened my knife directly into my hand. And don't mind that, that's a previous injury. So I started off with 1 Band-Aid on my hand before filming this, and now I have 2. So I'm definitely one of those people that should not be trusted with anything sharp whatsoever. I don't heed that though. I don't think I should be trusted with it, but I do have to use them from time to time. So let's get into this. Oh, by the way, sorry about the shot, guys. I realize it's just my boobs and my garbage can, but this is the best lighting, and it's all about the plants, right? You can just ignore the not aesthetic background. Okay, let's put the sharp thing away. I also have scissors here because I know they do tape up their stuff. Whew, all right, I'm excited. I think I should probably get something to put my plants in. I will be right back. All right, so I found this random piece of cardboard and I think it is gonna work awesome. So let's just put this here. Oh, also you see my, what is that? My floor cleaner. Very nice, Denise. Okay, so this is the first plant. Yay, no clue what it is. Okay, so I know what this one is. Oh my gosh, it must be so hard for them to package these up. Okay. Can you guys guess what this is? Okay, I'm gonna tell you. Let me try to butcher the actual name first. Plectranthus? No. Yes. Plectranthus prostratus. No, wait. Prostratus. Yes. Plectranthus prostratus. And what that is often referred to is as the pillow plant, or the succulent Swedish ivy. So it is a trailing succulent plant from Africa, I believe South and also Eastern Africa. I'm starting to build my collection of trailing plants. I want to have my windows be one carpet of plants. That's a dream. So I've started ordering a lot of trailing succulents. And yeah, this plant looks awesome. And there's quite a bit here. That's a lot. I don't want to mess it up too much, so I'm going to put her down. I don't know. I guess this is a girl. I don't know why sometimes my plants randomly have genders. Okay, so this is big-ish, so the cardboard is kind of pointless. So I'm going to go move this plant over to a different spot. Oh, yeah. Okay, so they had, oh, neat. On their website, they had like a free seeds thing if you wanted to get some seeds of some random, I guess they're not random, I don't know why I always say that, but some plants that are, I believe, native to here, just some wildflowers. So this is Black-Eyed Susan. Ooh, where's the camera? There we go. So that's a really pretty, like, orange petaled flower with black in the center. Almost looks like a mini sunflower-ish, kind of. No, I don't know. If I find a picture, I can insert one here. And the next one I got is a Cosmos mix. So this is a wildflower. There's all sorts of different colors of the petals, and they kind of just come up on long stems. Both of these will attract insects, so I'm not sure how wonderful I feel about planting them in my garden. I mean, if I want any flowers, bugs are gonna come no matter what. I have experienced quite a lot of aphids already on my balconies, the #1 pest that I have with my succulents. So, I don't know. I think I'm gonna plant them because I think I'd like some flowers. Okay. So I'm assuming this is just, yeah, I always want to check just in case. Some of the plants are little, so you never, oh, I guess the plants are wrapped in tissue paper. Smart, Denise. All right, so let's see what's next. Okay. Wow, this does not look like what I expected to do, but I think it needs a drink, big time. So this is the Orostachys bomeri, or forget it. I'm just gonna put the name down on the bottom. The Chinese dunce cap. So this is a cold hardy succulent, and that is what I'm trying to do. Another thing I'm trying to do this year in my garden is I would like to have mostly, with the exception of the succulents that I haven't put out there already, and in the next week, like my normal succulents, I would like to have mostly sedums and sempervivums and other things like that that will withstand the winter. So this is a cold hardy succulent and also a trailing succulent. It's a rosette forming succulent that sends off all of these little baby rosettes. It's kind of hard to show. Let's see here. This is one that, oh, it's actually in pretty good shape. It just looks thirsty. Let me see if I can just, oh. Yeah, hopefully that worked. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one aside. Okay, next. Okay, so this is another dunce cap. I did get two, and actually this one looks a lot different. Oh, okay, this piece just came right off, so. But it does give you a better idea of what the rosettes look like. Oops, I'm gonna drop it. There we go. So this one came with, yeah, actually this one looks a lot better. And there's another one, and then there's a bunch of little babies. If I can get that on camera. There you go. All right. Oh, they're cute. They're super cute. Okay, let me just flip this around and see. Babies, that's so cute. I can't wait to see how I set this up in my garden. Oh. Okay, this one has, sadly this one broke a leaf, but that's okay, it's just one. So this is, which was this, my sunset? You know what, I'm not even sure. That's so funny. Okay, I'm pretty sure that this is my Crassula Hummel Sunset Jade. I mean, it looks a lot like a jade plant, so the only thing is I got a very similar plant as well. So I think that this one is, yeah, is definitely a sunset jade, but I could be wrong. So, you know, these two that I'm talking about are new plants for me. So I haven't had these ones before, so it could be wrong. It does have a branch here, so it's, oh, okay, you know what? I just need to adjust the camera. Okay, so it does have, oh man, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's two branches and it's a really nice size. It's very unfortunate that this leaf broke off, but it's what you get when you're ordering in the mail, so it's not their fault. So I will just, and unfortunately it didn't break off, you know, and well enough to be propagated either. So goodbye, plant. Okay, this is tiny. Not sure that I ordered something that was this small, but you never know. Oh, you know what? Okay, I think I know what this is. I just forgot how small the other one was when it came because so much has changed. Yep, definitely. Okay, so since I love my variegated string of hearts so much, I thought, why not get a regular one? Let's see if I can find a tuber to show you guys. Yeah, okay, if you can see the tuber there. These plants store water in those, so you want to make sure you let your plant dry out fully before you re-water it again, because if you don't let these tubers deflate a little bit, this is what I've read and actually what I experienced already, it will tend to rot up some leaves and you could potentially overwater your plants. So make sure, just like a succulent, actually it could be even more finicky than some succulents. You definitely want to let, and it is a succulent, but anyways, you definitely want to let those tubers have a chance to need the water, right? So I'm super excited that I got another one, and it's so crazy to see how this is how small my variegated was when it came in, and I'm going to be showing you guys in an upcoming video. I've hung it up and it has tripled, I think, in size. It is enormous now. So I'm so excited for this one, and let's put that aside. Okay, I was right. Yay! I get a serious round of applause, gold star, and a cookie because I named my plant correctly. I was concerned that I had improperly identified the last plant, but this one, I mean, it's obvious what this one is to me. So this is the Senecio Jacobsini or Jacobsini. Anyways, the weeping jade. So it's actually a Senecio plant, like your string of bananas or string of pearls. Oh my gosh, there's so many Senecios, but this one, it kind of looks like a jade, and you can obviously see that, and it grows very, very quickly if you give it enough light. Yeah, it's, again, I want to add to my trailing succulent plant collection, and this one is perfect. So I'm gonna, oh gosh, guys, they give you quite a bit. I'm impressed. Ooh. There we go, if you can see. There, ah, I did it. You can see the 3 heads there. So that's a really nice start for a plant, for a hanging plant. It's already droopy, which is what you want with this one. This is the last one. I am done. Obviously, I have a lot of potting up to do, and I'm gonna do it tonight because I'm super excited. And yeah, I think I'm gonna do a separate video where I show you an update on these plants, and I'm just gonna go ahead and post this one right away instead of like waiting a million years like I normally do. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.